Welcome to the info with me ASUS Zenfone 9, and I'll show you how to enable or disable Google Feeds on this device. So just now by swipe to the right side, we can see that the Google Discover is activated, and if you want to turn on this feature, we should slide to the same time in the center with our two fingers, or just to hold it for a while and then swipe to the right by this way. Now we can see here show Google Now switcher. We just should click here to turn it off, then tap here to the home button, and now we can see that the Google Discover successfully turned off. If you want to turn it on again by the same way, just swipe here to the right side and tap once on the switcher to activate the Google Discover, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.